Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special on the test bench. And I have to be completely honest with you guys. This might just be the most impressive piece of hardware I have looked at all year. If you have been desperately wanting to upgrade your gaming setup, but you are absolutely sick and tired of those massive, bulky, overly aggressive-looking PC towers taking up your entire desk space, you are going to want to pay very close attention to this video. We are taking an incredibly deep dive into an absolute monster of a machine that practically fits right in the palm of your hands. We are talking about the brand new Cooler Master NR2 Pro gaming PC. This is a premium, ultra-compact Mini-ITX powerhouse that comes fully loaded with the highly coveted AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor and the absolute beast of a graphics card, the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. Whether you're looking for top-tier, no-compromise 4K gaming, heavy-duty video editing, or just a seamless multimedia creation experience, this beautiful space gray machine claims to do it all without breaking a sweat. But does it actually deliver on those massive promises? And perhaps more importantly, how on earth does a case this incredibly small manage to keep all of those high-end, heat-generating components cool? Today, we are going to break down every single detail, from the specs and the physical design to the cooling solution and the real-world performance. Real quick, before we get into the heavy details, if you want to check the current pricing on this exact rig, or if you decide you want to pick one of these up for yourself at any point during the video, I have left a direct link right at the top of the description below. Clicking that link is the best way to ensure you're getting the most up-to-date price, and it really helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you guys reviews exactly like this one. Alright, let's jump right in and start talking about the physical design in the form factor, because honestly, that is the primary selling point of the Cooler Master NR2 Pro. This entire system is built around the Mini-ITX platform, which means it is astoundingly compact. To give you an exact mental picture, the physical dimensions are just 15 inches long, 12 inches high, and a mere 8 inches wide. It features a completely stunning, minimalist space gray finish that looks incredibly professional and modern. It doesn't look like a glowing alien spaceship flashing RGB lights into your eyes. Instead, it looks like a premium high-end piece of functional art that fits perfectly into a clean, minimalist gaming setup or a sleek professional creator's studio. But don't let that small physical footprint fool you into thinking it feels cheap. This PC feels incredibly premium and incredibly dense, weighing in at a very solid 28 pounds. That weight comes directly from the high-quality metal chassis and the absolute unit of high-end hardware they have managed to pack inside. If you have ever tried to build a small form-factor PC by yourself, you already know it can be an absolute nightmare. Managing those cables and tight spaces and finding parts that actually fit together perfectly can be so frustrating. Cooler Master has completely eliminated that headache, doing all the hard work for you in delivering a beautifully built, plug-and-play masterpiece right out of the box, with Windows 11 Home already fully installed, updated, and ready to game. Now let's get to the really exciting stuff and talk about the beating heart of this PC, the processor. Cooler Master did not cut a single corner here. They have equipped this rig with the legendary AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D. If you know anything at all about the current PC hardware market, you know that AMD's X3D processor lineup is basically the holy grail for PC gamers right now. This AM5 socket processor features a staggering 96 megabytes of L3 cache. Massive cache size translates directly into buttery smooth frame rates, virtually eliminating those annoying micro-stutters in incredibly CPU-intensive games like Microsoft Flight Simulator, Cyberpunk, or intense competitive shooters where every millisecond counts. It boasts a solid base clock speed of 4.7 GHz and can seamlessly boost all the way up to a blistering 5.2 GHz when you need that extra push. And while this chip is heavily optimized to be a gaming powerhouse, this Ryzen 7 is absolutely no slouch when it comes to raw productivity. With its massive processing power, if you are a daily streamer, a professional video editor, or someone dealing with heavy 3D rendering tasks, this CPU will chew through those heavy workloads effortlessly. Of course, having an amazing CPU doesn't mean much if you don't have an equally amazing GPU to back it up, and the NR2 Pro delivers in a massive way. Sitting snugly inside this compact case, running on a lightning-fast PCIe interface, is the incredibly powerful Gigabyte NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. This dedicated graphics card comes fully equipped with a massive 16 gigabytes of blazing-fast GDDR6 VRAM. Why does 16 gigabytes of VRAM actually matter to you? Well, modern blockbuster games are becoming incredibly demanding, pushing ultra-high-resolution textures that eat up memory like crazy. Having 16 gigabytes ensures that your brand new system is fully future-proofed for the next several years of intense gaming. Whether you want to play at a native 4K maximum resolution of 3840 by 2160, or you prefer a sweeping cinematic ultra-wide monitor setup running at 3440 by 1440, this RTX 5070 Ti is going to handle it flawlessly. Utilizing NVIDIA's absolute latest ray tracing cores and groundbreaking DLSS upscaling technology, you are getting hyper-realistic, real-time lighting and shadows without sacrificing your precious frame rates. It also features multiple component outputs, including HDMI and DisplayPort, making a multi-monitor battle station setup completely seamless. To make sure that all of this processing power keeps moving at lightning speed, this PC comes fully loaded with 32 gigabytes of high-performance DDR5 RAM running at a blazing fast 6000 MHz. It's set up perfectly in a dual-channel configuration, utilizing two 16 gigabyte sticks, which is exactly the configuration you want to squeeze the absolute maximum performance out of that Ryzen processor. In 2025, 32 gigabytes is the absolute perfect sweet spot for modern computing. It is more than enough memory for heavy, demanding gaming while simultaneously having multiple Chrome tabs, Discord, and your streaming software running seamlessly in the background. And if you ever find yourself needing more power down the road, the premium motherboard supports a maximum memory capacity of 96 gigabytes. When it comes to your storage, the NR2 Pro is rocking a massive 2 terabyte PCIe solid-state drive. 2 terabytes is a fantastic, generous starting point. It gives you plenty of breathing room to install your operating system, all of your essential daily software, and a huge library of massive modern games without constantly having to play the uninstall game to make space. Because it is a high-speed NVMe SSD, your boot times are going to be practically instant, and those painfully long game loading screens will officially be a thing of the past. Now, at this point, you might be asking yourself the single most important question. If they somehow packed a blazing hot 9800 X3D and a massive RTX 5070 Ti into a tiny 15-inch case, won't this entire thing just overheat and throttle? That is exactly where Cooler Master's legacy of thermal expertise completely shines. The entire system is built on a high-end, incredibly durable Gigabyte B850i AORUS Pro Mini-ITX motherboard. To keep the thermals locked down, Cooler Master has brilliantly integrated a custom 280mm liquid water cooling radiator directly into the chassis. Yes, you heard that right. They actually managed to fit a 280mm water cooler inside this incredibly tiny box. This custom water and air cooling loop is specifically engineered to quietly and efficiently pull massive amounts of heat directly away from that powerful Ryzen CPU. The strategic airflow design inside the NR2 Pro case ensures that the RTX 5070 Ti pulls fresh, cool air straight from the outside of the case and exhausts the hot air immediately. So even during intense hours-long marathon gaming sessions or incredibly long video rendering exports, this PC stays remarkably cool, surprisingly quiet, and entirely avoids any performance-killing thermal throttling. Let's quickly touch on the connectivity, because a truly modern PC needs to be the central hub of your digital life. The front and rear I/O panels give you absolutely everything you could possibly need. You have your standard USB 2.0 ports for basic peripherals, high-speed USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and the all-important USB Type-C connections for your modern accessories, smartphones, and ultra-fast external hard drives. For your networking needs, you are totally covered. It features a physical Ethernet LAN port for ensuring the absolute lowest possible ping during competitive online gaming, but it also features built-in high-speed Wi-Fi 802.11 AC and Bluetooth. So whether you are seamlessly connecting your wireless gaming headphones, syncing a Bluetooth controller, or cleaning up your desk with a wireless mechanical keyboard and mouse, you are 100% ready to go the second you take it out of the box. Speaking of out of the box, it even includes a standard wired keyboard and mouse to get you up and running immediately, and it features Windows Hello and Windows Defender for top-tier enterprise-grade security right from day one. So, what is the final verdict here? Well, if you look at Amazon, this specific model is already sitting at a highly impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars with fantastic customer reviews, and it is currently ranking incredibly high in the mini computers category. It is totally backed by a comprehensive 1-year manufacturer warranty from Cooler Master, offering you fantastic peace of mind on your investment. Building a Mini-ITX PC entirely by yourself can be one of the most incredibly frustrating, time-consuming experiences in PC building. Finding the exact right custom-length cables, holding your breath to make sure the GPU clears the side panel by mere millimeters, and struggling to route water cooling tubes in a tiny, cramped space is remarkably tough. The Cooler Master NR2 Pro brilliantly takes all of that stress, all of that anxiety, and all of that frustration completely away. You are getting top-of-the-line, undisputed specs, breathtaking 4K gaming performance, and whisper-quiet premium liquid cooling, all wrapped up in a beautiful, minimalist space-gray box that is barely larger than a standard home video game console. If you are someone who demands maximum, uncompromising performance, but you simply do not have the physical desk space for a giant mid-tower PC, the Cooler Master NR2 Pro is absolutely worth every single penny of your money. If you want to pick one of these up today, or if you just want to check today's current pricing and read through some of those glowing user reviews for yourself, make sure you click that Amazon link I placed down in the description below. If you found this review helpful and informative, please do me a massive favor and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel and pushes this video to more people. Let me know down in the comments below, what is the very first game you would boot up and play on an RTX 5070 Ti and a 9800 X3D? I would absolutely love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and deep dives into PC gaming hardware. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.